Hello everyone, and welcome. Glowing Star. Today, we are going to start with energy, focus, and no distractions. In a moment, you will see an image that we will describe using basic, intermediate, and advanced English. This will help you improve your vocabulary, listening, and speaking skills step by step. At the end of each level, we will learn new vocabulary words and their meanings to expand your English even more. Get ready to learn, practice, and enjoy the process. Let's begin right now. Basic English. A peaceful night after a long day. The woman had a very long day at work. She woke up early in the morning and worked for many hours. She helped many people and finished all her tasks. When she arrived home, she felt very tired. She took a warm shower and put on her beautiful cotton pajamas. They were soft, clean, and very comfortable. She went to her bedroom. The room was quiet, warm, and peaceful. She turned off the bright lights and kept only a small lamp on. The bed was soft with clean blankets and fluffy pillows. She smiled because she knew it was time to rest. She lay down in bed and covered herself with a warm blanket. Soon, she closed her eyes. Her body relaxed, and her breathing became slow and calm. She forgot about the busy day and enjoyed the silence around her. Outside, the moon was shining, and the stars were bright in the dark sky. Everything felt calm and safe. She was thankful for her home and for the chance to sleep well. A good night's sleep would give her new energy for tomorrow. She dreamed about happiness, peace, and beautiful moments with her family. She slept deeply, feeling comfortable, protected, and full of hope for a new day. Vocabulary. Tired. Work. Cotton. Pajamas. Blanket. Pillow. Peaceful. Rest. Comfortable. Dream. Moon. Stars. Relax. Home. Energy. Intermediate English. Rest is the reward for hard work. After spending the entire day working hard, the woman finally returned home feeling completely exhausted. She had dedicated her time and energy to helping others, solving problems, and completing many responsibilities. Although the day had been demanding, she felt proud because she had done her best. After taking a relaxing shower, she changed into a beautiful pair of soft cotton pajamas. The comfortable fabric helped her feel warm and cozy. Her bedroom was clean and inviting, with soft lighting, fresh sheets, and a thick blanket waiting for her. The peaceful atmosphere immediately helped her leave behind the stress of the day. She slowly climbed into bed and pulled the blanket over her body. Within minutes, every muscle began to relax. Her breathing became steady, and her mind became quiet. She no longer worried about deadlines or unfinished tasks. Outside her window, the gentle moonlight filled the room with a comforting glow. The silence reminded her that every hardworking person deserves time to recover. Sleep is not only a necessity but also a gift that restores both body and mind. As she drifted into a deep sleep, she felt grateful for the opportunity to rest. Tomorrow would bring new challenges, but tonight was a moment of peace, comfort, and well-earned relaxation. Vocabulary. Exhausted. Dedicated. Responsibilities. Demanding. Relaxing. Cozy. Inviting. Atmosphere. Steady. Deadline. Recover. Restore. Drift, to sleep. Grateful. Relaxation. Advanced English. The quiet beauty of well-deserved rest. As the evening settled into peaceful silence, the woman finally embraced the comfort she had long awaited after an exhausting day of dedicated work. Every responsibility she had fulfilled demanded patience, resilience, and unwavering determination. By the time she returned home, both her body and mind were longing for complete restoration. She slipped into an elegant cotton pajama set whose soft texture wrapped her in warmth and serenity. Her bedroom became a sanctuary of tranquility, illuminated by gentle lamplight that created an atmosphere of security and emotional comfort. Fresh linens, plush pillows, and a thick blanket transformed the room into a haven where stress gradually disappeared. As she settled beneath the covers, every breath became slower and deeper. The tension accumulated throughout the day quietly faded away, replaced by an overwhelming sense of gratitude and inner peace. Beyond the window, the moon illuminated the night sky, reminding her that even the busiest lives require moments of stillness and renewal. Sleep became more than physical recovery, it became an act of self-care, balance, and hope. In that silent moment, she understood that true strength is not measured only by hard work but also by the wisdom to pause, recover, and begin again with renewed purpose. Wrapped in warmth, protected by peaceful silence, she surrendered to restful sleep, ready to welcome a brighter tomorrow. Vocabulary: exhausting, resilience, unwavering, restoration, sanctuary, tranquility, illuminated, haven, accumulated, gratitude, renewal, self-care, surrendered, purpose, proposito. Great job today, glowing star. Today, you made progress, and if you continue practicing like this every day, you will become better and more confident in English step by step. Remember, every small effort brings you closer to your goals. Keep learning, keep improving, and never give up. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something new today. I'll see you in the next video, specially made for you. Rocket.